How to delete Yahoo account permanently. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Yahoo account permanently. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to delete your Yahoo account permanently, first head into yahoo.com. Now you can also do it on the application, however I'm doing here on the browser. Simply head into yahoo.com and log into your account, then tap on the profile icon at the left hand side of the screen. Once here, you can see the option that says overview under the account option on the left hand side. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it here, it will ask you to verify, so you simply want to go ahead and verify here. Once you have verified, you'll get into this page here. You can see at the top overview, personal info, security, recent activity. Swipe to the right on the top and you should see privacy controls. Tap on it and it should take you to your dashboard here. Now here under privacy controls, scroll down below and under manage your information, you should find the option that says delete your Yahoo account. Simply tap on it, go ahead and head through the prompts and scroll down here and tap on continue delete my account, and then go ahead through the prompts and you'll be able to delete your account. So this is how you can delete your Yahoo account. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.